Welcome to this beautiful Roffino Custom Home built in 2020. Main residence features downstairs master suite with huge walk-in closet. Great open floor plan with quartz countertops in the kitchen overlooking the living and dining areas. Storage abounds throughout with a massive walk-in pantry off the kitchen. The gas log fireplace in the living area is a showstopper. Upstairs are two very large bedrooms with walk-in closets and Jack and Jill bath. Enjoy the covered patio with access to the living area, master bedroom and oversized garage. Just off the patio is the separate entrance into the 680 square feet apartment. Apartment has living area, full kitchen plus pantry, stackable washer and dryer, one bedroom and one full bath. It is truly a fully functional apartment with great rental income potential or the perfect in-law suite. Large two-car garage with entry from back alley with concrete space to park 4 vehicles. Great location in highly desired Camelot subdivision and Glen Rose ISD.